In the rolling wave of industrialization, the machinery manufacturing industry is like the backbone of the times. Hawei Intelligent, with innovation spirit and exquisite technology, has become a shining pearl in this industry. Hawei Intelligent Equipment Company is located in Bao'an District, Monshan City, Yangtze River Delta region of China. The company is close to Nanjing Lukou International Airport. Hawei is a high-end professional enterprise specializing in the research and development, manufacturing, sales, and service of press brakes. Hawei, composed of the industry's top talents, committed to the continuous breakthrough and innovation of technology. Each press brake embodies Hawei team's pursuit of quality and detail control. The company invests a lot of money in research and development every year, ensuring that the technology is always in the leading position in the industry, providing many customers with high quality, high efficiency and long-life products and solutions. Hawei, with professional technology and the spirit of continuous innovation. Specializing in the production of electro-hydraulic synchronous CNC press brake, the company currently produces a product series of 35T high-speed press brake, pure electric press brake, from 65T to 2000T heavy-duty press brake, and robot bending unit and other products, and won the industry praise. The products produced by the company are widely used in automobile manufacturing, building curtain wall, elevator industry, construction machinery, power tower, ship, stainless steel sheet metal processing and other industries. Advanced production equipment is the absolute guarantee of strong production capacity. Standardized management is the absolute guarantee of the high-quality pursuit. Plants are planned according to standard management production processes and business requirements. We have purchased advanced pentahedral CNC machining centers, automatic robotic welder, large floor boring and milling machines, large annealing tempering furnaces, large shot blasting machines and CNC lathes to meet the needs of different customers. We have established partnerships with top global paint brands and pioneered the application of European high-speed oil cylinder technology. The vast majority of our accessories are based on top industry brands to ensure reliable product quality and meet required standards. Strict consideration of inspection is an important label to measure the product. The company will be strict with quality control standards and evaluation system throughout the entire production chain. Each process will be strictly tested. Each machine tool has to go through 72 hours of travel testing in the factory to ensure that it can withstand various trials after leaving the factory. The company has a perfect after-sales service system, with high-quality products, good reputation, high-quality service. The machines are sold in more than 20 provinces, municipalities, autonomous regions, but also exported to Europe, America, Southeast Asia and other countries, receiving unanimous praise from domestic and foreign users. The company has always adhered to the principle of quality first, customer first, high-quality service, and trustworthy contracts. Based on the global market, we seek benefits, attach importance to customer needs, and promote the sustained and stable development of the enterprise with excellent product quality. Keeping a lofty heart and chasing our dreams. The company adheres to the core values of integrity, innovation, service, and win-win. With the wind and waves in transformation, upgrading, and innovative development, we are sailing forward.